I'm going to repair heart. This is a knitted heart. It is torn over here and here. So I'll need a needle. This needle with a tapestry needle is the best, with a large eye. Thread, I'll use a black one, which matches with the heart. And maybe a pair of scissors for cutting. So I'm going to cut the thread. I'm using embroidery thread because it has a texture which is soft, like for the knitted heart. So it's easier to thread, so it's wide. It's too thick, I think. The thread is too thick. Cut off again. Refusing to penetrate. There you go. Then I'll tie a knot. I'll start with the edge of the heart. I don't want to throw away this. I want it to give some body to the heart. So I'm going to make a back stitch first, a little bit away from the torn area. The knot will help the thread from slipping off. Then I'm going to use slip hemming. So I will slip hem. Sure that I fold it well. Fold it again. Sure that it's neat. Quite neat. And I slip hem. Make sure you fold it well. Then you can make a back stitch to end the slip hemming, and then I cut. You can see the hem of the hat is done. I want us to repair now the seam. I'm going to use a buttonhole stitch. I hope this thread will be enough. Going to make a knot again. So make sure the seam is together. Then you make a back stitch. First, it will not show clearly because the color of the thread is the same as the color of the hat. So a buttonhole stitch, you bring the back thread over the needle and you pull. I make sure I'll demonstrate with a different color next time so that you see how a buttonhole stitch is. Bring the thread over and you pull. Again, thread over and you pull. Thread over and you pull. Then you can cut off so that it does not make the hat to look untidy. You can just cut off. And you pull. Pull. We're almost there. Put the thread. Pull. Pull. When you reach the end, you make a back stitch. Then we cut. And our hat is ready. You can see. In another video, I'll use different colors so that you see how our buttons hole stitch is done and a slip hem stitch is done. See you in the next video.